Our ingredients is pickles, head and cheese, nor cubes, carrots and potatoes, rennet liver spread, mayonnaise, peanut butter, tomato sauce, bell pepper, onions, and of course garlic. We will slightly cook the carrots and the potatoes by frying them. And let's saute the onions and the garlic. Bell peppers, and then we will put the chicken. Next is the ground pepper to add a taste. We let it shimmer for a few minutes. Let's cover the pan. After a few minutes, we will add all the ingredients that we have: the tomato sauce, we will mix the chicken and the tomato sauce. Let's have our pickles. And we will have a rennet liver spread and peanut butter. Let it shimmer for 30 minutes or when the chicken is cooked, or until the oil comes out from the sauce. So yummy now mga ka-winners! Tasting time! My chicken caldereta! Wow! So yummy mga ka-winners! I love it so much! Eating time! I'm so satisfied with the taste of my chicken caldereta! Winner! Shoutout nga pala kay Dada de la Cruz. Thank you for inviting me coming to your house and cooking chicken caldereta. Thank you so much.